Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a great day across Acadiana. A little bit of a east-northeast breeze. Justin Terro getting our shot today from right off the Breaux Bridge Highway, and lots of clouds, some showers out there right now. Big action coming in later on tonight, but the models continue to downplay the rain totals. We got to buy into some of that, but we can't buy into it fully. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. So let's take a look at the big picture. And this is the actual storm of the planet going on right now. A super typhoon in the western Pacific hitting just north of Guam, hitting the northern Mariana Islands. Earlier, it had 180-mile-an-hour winds, gusts to 220 when it went over the island of Saipan earlier today. And these northern Mariana Islands have populations right around 50,000 people. And watch right here, you can see the island. It'll show up right here. And look at that eye going right through it, 180-mile-an-hour winds. So we know there's going to be catastrophic damage. We know there's going to be injuries, probably some fatalities, but we haven't gotten any information yet. And maybe days before we do get information out from this super typhoon, which, by the way, is the same thing as a major category 3, 4, 5 hurricane, 180-mile-per-hour winds. We call them typhoons in the western Pacific. Eastern Pacific, they're also called hurricanes. In the Indian Ocean, they're called cyclones, and the Australians have a nice name for them, the Willy Willies. Meanwhile, for us, we got a little Willy Willy action going on with a complicated storm system coming in. Main upper level low coming in here. We have another one that's going to follow during the day tomorrow. So on the surface, we have an area of low pressure along the mid to upper Texas coastline. Most of the rainfall, some of this associated with Hurricane Willa moving across a good part of the Texas Hill Country into eastern Texas this afternoon. And then we have the showers that are moving into portions of Louisiana and Acadiana late this afternoon. Heaviest activity in the northern and northwestern sections of Acadiana from extreme northeastern Beauregard Parish into Vernon Parish. And then as we get into, we'll say, not Avoyelles Parish, but eventually Avoyelles Parish, Rapides Parish here, and parishes off to the north. Farther south, though, we do have a little bit more in the way of scattered activity picking up late this afternoon. So on and off scattered showers through midnight tonight. Then the action really begins to pick up later on tonight. Here's the predictive radar indicating the more substantial rain and storms beginning to move into Louisiana after midnight, 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. That's when things will get cooking. Some embedded thunder. I'm thinking severe weather threat stays offshore, but there could be some strong storms along the coast. And I'm thinking there's going to be a pretty good soaking with this after all is said and done. In fact, 2 low pressure systems. One we hope intercepts some of the deeper moisture offshore. That'll be paralleling the coastline, and notice pretty much the same on our FutureCast with rain and storms toward the pre-dawn hours. First thing tomorrow morning, it's going to be sloppy for sure, and then the parent low really gets going right over us, but that just means light rain and misty drizzles through the afternoon, and then that low pressure eventually moving on and strengthening as it pushes off to the east and northeast. And then for us, drier air moving in, and it's going to be nice and cool. The clouds clearing out for Friday afternoon. As for rainfall totals, I'd at least double the numbers we see here, so we're going to say 1 to 2 inches. The model's not going for much. Heavier rains up to 5 or 10 inches will probably manifest offshore, and that's the good news. And one thing I have noticed today, tides have been elevated along the coast thanks to east-northeast winds, and they're going to stay elevated 1 to 2 feet above normal. They switch around out of the south first thing tomorrow morning, and then out of the southwest tomorrow afternoon. And then once they turn out of the west and northwest as we go into Friday, that's when the tides will come down. That wind product, though, by the way, available on KATC.com. So rain and storms developing tonight after midnight, primarily between 2 and 4 in the morning. Downpours by daybreak. Rain chances going up to 100% late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Then rain chances dropping down in the afternoon. For right now, we'll say storm total 1 to 2 possible, but I think some spots might see some more and maybe some trouble spots, but I don't see a high-end flood event. This thing's moving along at a good clip, and that's the good news. Mid-70s for tomorrow. tomorrow. Clouds clearing out for Friday. Great looking weekend with highs in the 70s Saturday, lower 80s Sunday. Cool front comes in Sunday night, dry, and it looks great Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Halloween. Next weather system to affect us after tonight and tomorrow's system will be Thursday. And trick-or-treat temperatures at 6:30, 7 o'clock next Wednesday night, right in the sweet spot, right around 70 degrees.
Nice. Thanks.